Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Siri on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown. Then scroll down this list until you find the settings application and then open it. Now in settings you have to scroll down the options until you find Siri and tap here, right here, and as you can see right now the Siri is enabled, and if you want to disable it you have to disable each of these options. So go to the first one which is Ask Siri, and change it to off, and then switch the toggles next to Raise to Speak and press digital crown and select Turn off Siri to confirm, and this way you will disable the Siri completely on your Apple Watch. And now you can either enable all of these settings back when you want to turn on the Siri back on your watch, or you can just enable one of these options. For example, press digital crown, then you will only be able to reach out to Siri by pressing the digital crown. I'm gonna get all the settings back, so like this. And this way I just re-enabled Siri on this Apple Watch. Then that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.